Good morning, dear students. So, here today, let's start with part 2 Visualizing Solid Shape, chapter 10, class 8 Maths. You'll enjoy this because there is lot of information given in the form of pictures. Let's begin. So, let's talk about the shape and their face, vertices, and the edges. Now around us we can find the different shape, like cricket ground is in a shape of circle, triangle, you might have eaten some crispy wafers in a form of triangle, rectangle, our home living rooms are generally in the form of rectangle, square fills, you might have seen the cubes and cuboids, and the diamond, that is a shape of shakapara. These are called flat shapes because they are flat. That means they don't have any 3D structure at present. But these are called solid shapes because they have curvy surface surrounding. You can see the ball, cone, cylinder. They are called solid shapes. This is a sphere, cylinder, cube. You can see how many faces are there? 6 faces are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sides, and top and bottom 6 sides, right? And you have to just count their edges. How many edges do they have? Cuboid, you might have seen shoe box or any wooden box that is in the shape of cuboid, jewelry box. This is a cone. Now look around you and try to find things that look like one of the solid shape. So in my surrounding, I have my window, which is in the shape of rectangle. And I have one cricket ball, which is in the form of sphere, which is in my surrounding. You can see the cylindrical dustbins are there and the glass are there. For sphere, you have so many things in your surroundings. Cube, we have played Ludo, snakes and ladder. So we have used cube, ice cubes, and this playing cubes that small kids and you might have also played. Cuboid, gift box, your drawers, and see this old cassettes and the any kind of storage that is always in a form of cuboid to keep files and the notebooks. Cones, so hat is example, birthday cap is an example, then mic is an example, and the ice cream cone is the example. Now let us describe each of these shapes. Sphere, one face, no vertex, no edge, no, its face is curved. Only one face is there and it is in a curve form. So there are no vertices and edges. Cylindrical, there are 3 faces, no vertices, 2 curved edges, 2 flat faces and 1 curved. Cube, 6 flat faces, 8 vertices, 12 edges, and its faces are squares. Cuboid, 6 flat faces, 8 vertices, 12 edges, and its faces are rectangle. And for cone, there are 2 faces. One is vertex because the topmost sharper one is edge, and the one flat and one curved surface, that is the cone. So I hope you know that what are the faces, vertex and the edges.